Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this reflective text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word mirror on it. Then I'm also going to change the font. You don't have to, but I'm just going to. You can also change the color here because you can't see it if you use well, just choose the one that you want to choose, of course. I'm just going to adjust the font size like so. Then you're going to right click, create compound clip, copy and paste it, and you're just going to rotate it 180 degrees. Now this isn't mirrored yet, but it's because you haven't selected the mirror button, and I'm just going to make it so that it aligns with the text. You're also going to go to opacity, and you're going to adjust the opacity of the text as well. And I'm just going to select both and put it up a little so it stays in the middle. And that's it. You can add in some effects to the text, but I'm not going to. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!